I'm from the city is still. I'm from the city is still.
On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar.
Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Talmerrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration.
This one that sticks you to the wall?
In just a few moments, we'll be activating it, so you can ask questions.
Now, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man.
I need to alert Nova Prime.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? Nothing's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Jax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?
Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you subscribe and come along for future videos. Until next video, guys, may God bless you, and I hope you take it easy. Marvel!